Again, welcome to the much-awaited warming up ceremony of the Child Development Centers under District 3A with the theme First Steps Toward a Brighter Future.
Hawak kay daddy.
Mami lang, mami.
Before we start, we request all the guests
Mami lang.
sitting at the dignitary
Nandun.
table to please join our movers this morning to their processional march. Next on the line are the children from New Society Child Development Center with the child development worker, Ma'am Baby Rose L. Pujas. Next on the line are from the children of Jegasi Development Center under the Carmelita T. Magase. Approaching the line are the children from Raha Sulaiman Development Center under Mrs. Nerissa A. Toyuman. Next on the line are from the Wap Child Development Center under Ma'am Maria Flordalisa G. Oseco. Next on the line are the children from Golden Ribbon Child Development Center under Ma'am Elsa T. Gabi. Approaching the aisle are the children from Lapu-Lapu Child Development Center under Ma'am Josephine Gabay. And last but not the least, again, entering the aisle are the children from Lapu-Lapu Child Development Center under Ma'am Josephine Gamay. And lastly, entering the aisle are the children from Maon Child Development Center under the Child Development Worker, Ma'am Hesa Colato.
Everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be, I give.
Give us. Then we lift them up and give them back to you. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be.
To officially open our ceremony, let us hear a warm welcome message from Hailey V. Coloreto of Maon CDC. Let's
Friends, and pleasant afternoon. Today, I open up program. We're happy putting our teachers and praise program. Bringing the lesson we learn, frequent support, and the letters and count numbers. We also
certificate workshop to all the parents and as well to all the graduates. First, I want to congratulate all our I want to congratulate all the completers. This is not the beginning of your journey, but it's not the end of your journey, but it is the beginning of your
Oi,
milestone.
mommy here.
So, I am also a parent, and my son is also part of this around me. And we as a parent, we are always at the back to support the
Buka lang doon. Daddy. Hindi pa man tapos.
It is like I told the parents as well, always support your children.
Kakain ka?
Always support, just be there at the back to support them whatever their heart desires. And please
No, no, dirty.
that to the place that they are very connected because we want them to do it. We don't see each other. I think it's 24 years and I never thought that we will still meet again.
Ay na, daddy mo.
And the first time,
Balik na doon, bring this one. Bring mo na yan. Magaw na.
Ano na magtawag na, pwede mo ka na mo.
Mo, bunso, bata mo.
And then, yes, after that, it is also exciting to share this kind of experience with my son that we have in common, that my teacher, my first teacher before, and gusto ko na ako mag-fulfill siya, not for myself, but for my parents as well, even though they no longer exist in this world.
Ah, baby.
So in high school, I'm in Agusan National High School, and the most unforgettable experience that I have in Agusan High was I am also part of a deaf interpreter, and it is my pleasure to be chosen to
Dirty.
lead the
Mami na yan.
to lead the national anthem, during our graduation, to lead the national anthem, the graduation song, as well as the Agusan High hymn by the Beauty Sign Language.
Give mo si Kuya, give. Inamin mo si Kuya. Dali na. Dali na.
Because I know that I help them for them to understand what we are talking about or sa media as a state. And in college, I wasn't able to do some other things since I am also a working student. So I need to work.
Isubo mo na yan lahat, baby ko.
To sustain my needs, especially my studies. Since I don't have parents, so kailangan ko na lang for myself na pang-graduate ko. So, round of applause, please.
May hapon sa tanan. Okay. Kanina among kwadra karong ang bustay na mahimo ng speaker. Okay. Sa akong pagpahod sa punong barangay sa Secatuna, si Barangay Kapitan Hernandez, o sa akong mga kagawad na naadya sa presidential table, dili man ko barangay, ako yung isa-isahon. Barangay, agaw. Nadiha, pinakakuha pa po na siya no, na kagawad. Yours truly, Jigo Silang, Nilda Baril, Humabot, New Society Village, Leon Kilan, Dato Silungan, Lapu-Lapu, Maon, Raha Sulaiman, Golden Grade 4, Grade 5. Di na din nato nakaptan. Namin sila ikapalingon nilang mundo. No? Muna, kami po sa barang.
Congratulations, classmates. Yesterday, we started small crayons and glue, and we began to read and write our names. We will every single day.
And the division chief of the Community Operations Division, I hereby confirm that the 153 ECCD children have successfully completed the program for school year 2020-24 to 2025 and are eligible to receive their certificates of completion. Congratulations! Mahimo na lingkod ang mga bata. Sa atong mga barangay officials nga naa sa presidential table, dili na tingnan natin mention ang inyong mga pangalan isa-isa, no? Sa atong mga ginikanan, mga child development workers, maayong hapon kanatong tanan ang atong team leader, Miss Melin. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Agoy, maayong hapon sa tanan. Okay, children, we know daw din nagdali, be? Lagoy pamutanahan dyan. Kinsay love ninyo? Kinsay love ninyo? Ha? Okay. Tindog daw tanan bata. Sige, tindog ha. Kaya ako istorya. And then, inyong isulti sa inyong mama. Okay, ngayon niya yung mama. Mama, Papa, we love you. Sige daw. Okay, sige, ingkod. Nasabda nato mga bata ang span nila sa kuwabi na ilang pagdumugis, bubog at yun nga. Pero, mga unique sorry, no, ang atong opisina, it's because naisa nag-spoil sa mga kabataan natin karon, usa siya ka hinungdan ng atong mga kabataan ugma.
Dandahan, bungso. You go back to daddy, ah.
Before we go to license, sila so, mga child development workers,
You go find daddy, hoy, over here.
no? Kasi pero timing waling tanan. Di ba? Timing o nakapastar sa plano sa ginoo para labot tanan. Sa mga barangay officials, sa mga ginikanan, sa ating mga child development workers, sa ating mga kaubalan sa CSWD, congratulations ang Diyos magaban sa atin.
Thank you, ma'am, with your shared thoughts and wonderful message. This time, we shall now proceed to the distribution of certificates. We kindly ask our guests to be at the center.
Wala ka na upuan.
Start with Ma'am Jocelyn Ifritete, District Team Leader, Ma'am Milen J. Fortun. All the guests sitting on the dignitary table, please. Let us all celebrate every child's effort and achievement as their names are called. important rule. We last remind you of the important house rule. Please refrain from standing and taking pictures in front during the distribution and receiving the certificates of completion because we have an assigned photographer for each CDC for this moment. Okay? And right after the ceremony, you can take the pictures as you want. So, every CDC na ay will picture para dili makasama sa photo. Miguel Prince Kyrie G. Mapani Ram Sakir. Mapani Ram Sakir. Arturo King Joseph S. III. Sagarino Argel M. Malaki Austin Lea Brown. Ibres Abraham S. Padin Michael C. Leporto Zeb Tobias L. Okay, again, house rule. Only one photographer is allowed per CDC. No one will take the picture one by one there para maka diretso-diretso rin po. Maglinya ang bata. Ay. Okay. Again, may we call again Sagarino, Batagnan, Mayor, Mabali, Balyoro, Sagarino to please remain on front. Walay parents mo saka, only the completers. Remain on stage, maghilera sila garinat. Sagarino, Batagnan, Mayor, Mabali, Balyoro, requesting inside bakante nga sa RW mag-assist din ni para makanay ang mga bata din sa tunga. Walay parent na musama sa stage, only the completers. Insay pwede maka-assist din sa tunga aron mag-plaster sa mga bata. Paminaw bang tanan? Okay, tawagon ako ang first batch. Kung puno na siya din sa stage, muhunong, walay gunaw ha. Saka ang bata, dawaton ang certificate, then mo handshake sa mga guests, then magpabilin din sa tunga ang bata, hatod puno ni sila din nga batch, then adisar na mag-picture. Then, ay ha muna og. Again, pagkuha sa certificate, mula mano sa mga bisita, then magpabilin si Radinhi hatod sa mapuno ning front, then ay ha na dayon mag-picture, ay ha na dayon mo exit. So asa man tong mga boys na gitawag? Okay, attention, na ako na yung bata nga nawala. Nasa second floor ang suot, nakaping, nga bulak-bulak, 3 years old siya. At tuwa lang daw sa second floor kung inyong hatong bata. Okay na po ang boys. Humana ang picture. Humana ang boys. Okay. Mag-picture na dayon po.
Bitbitin mo.
Okay, pwede na mag-picture ang boys sa Golden Ribbon with the guest. Female, Arcelias Angelique King J. Castillo Zim Zachary A. Caceres Robin Eloise A. Yeah. Yanez Allison Jolie S. Simugan Nia Drizel Scarlett Elise. Ayoma Jaylene P. Ciencia Casey Jazz C. And lastly, Munghet Eliza Catriona. And that's all for Golden Ribbon CDC. You can now take the pictures. Please get ready, completers of Lapu-Lapu CDC.
Hoy! Oh, alphabetical. Mag-ready na mo, maglinya na mo, oh. Hindi kayo kapareha sa unang kabatch nga. Ha? Maglinya na mo para din na mo magkuhan tayo. Hoy! Linya na ba daan? Kay ganihan nagkagumot. Dahil kay... Linya na daan para diretsyo. Huwag kang ano, dito ka lang, mag-stay ka lang dito para hindi ka mawala. Maraming tao.